Folks, it's arch day. Time to glue up the arch for my doors over here, which are getting close to going together, actually. I laminated down to a little under 1/2 inch, 4 pieces, and put some blocking on my pattern, and then put a bunch of glue and used most of the clamps I have in my possession. But we've got things floating right along the pattern, so I think we're going to be good. Once this glue sets up, it should hold its shape well. We'll cut it to width and then work on the rest of the frame.